So we have a lot of people ask us, how do I keep my septic system or grease trap clean, healthy and stop it from smelling? Septic systems and grease traps rely on natural bacteria to break down the waste solids and fats, oils, greases, and mostly we find that problems arise from conventional cleaning chemicals that are used in normal cleaning of kitchen areas and bathrooms. It's the hidden nasty ingredients in these chemicals that the bacteria just cannot handle. The bacteria start to die, and this results in reduced performance of the grease trap or septic system. The resulting problems can include blocked pipes and drains, waterlogging near septic leach drains, odours in drains and grease traps, poor sludge breakdown, grease and fat deposits, frequent pump outs and expensive plumbing bills. But there is a product that will help you to remove all these problems. 777 EnviroClear. This is an all-natural, readily biodegradable and eco-friendly solution that is used for cleaning, dosing for system treatment and odour neutralising. It will destroy odours, it cleans pipework systems and breaks down grease and fat deposits, allowing the bacteria to thrive and propagate and start doing their job of breaking down the waste, which restores the performance of your grease trap or septic system. 777 EnviroClear can also be used in a variety of different applications besides septic systems and grease traps, such as camping and caravan toilets, and portable and waterless toilets, disposal bins, garbage compactors, and all septic and effluent systems. You can try the product for yourself. Just call us at 1800 777 580 or email us at sales@envirofluid.com for free samples or a trial of 777 EnviroClear.